So my name is Adam Johnson. I'm the Director of Sales over here at TYKMA Electrox. We're here at WestTech showcasing one of our smallest desktop tabletop systems. So this is our Mini Lace LBL. So small portable system. We actually have a Pelican case in the back here as well too that you can easily transport and travel with the system. It does come standard with a 20-watt MOPA fiber laser as well. So you can mark, you can etch, you can engrave all metals and even process most plastics as well too. You can also utilize the system for decorating and doing some laser imaging on Cerakote as well. And again, here at WestTech showcasing one of our smaller desktop tabletop systems, but we also offer much larger workstations as well. So whatever your laser material processing application is, we got a solution for you. Yeah, absolutely. So you can find us on all the different socials there, and also TYKMA Electrox. Our website is permanentmarking.com. So yeah, look us up, and appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. Called Cerakote.
This would attract me, to be honest with you. I see this more often now these days. It's becoming a trend now where people are doing stuff like this, coloring it instead of printing it or taking it to another dye, all within one system.
I mean,
you know?
yeah, that's again a paint coating, ceramic coating that all these guys in the past have been doing like multiple layers. You know, now all of a sudden you can use the laser to do all your laser imaging and decorating and speed up the process.